This is the episode 2 of restoring my motorcycle.
Actually, don't have.
It's like I was drowning, you safe.
Sana.
No! Be careful!
Small, still good luck, kamay sa mesa. Pwede namang maganda yung kabayo.
Life's greatest moments with your number one. With only. Clip.
Finally, natapos na siyang palitan. Ang headlight cover, front center cover, front fender. And then, ito pinalitan ko din yung unahan niya. Batok ang tawag dito, sabi. And then, yung body cover, tail cover. Syempre, yung body cover din dito sa kabila. Yan. So, finally, tapos na tayo! Yung mga next na, hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung i-restore ko dito sa motor. Yan lang! Thank you for watching!